Hi guys, and welcome to beautiful Utah. Today I thought I would share with you guys a little bit about how I pack, what I pack on a trip to Utah in October. Don't know if you could get the hint from my t-shirt. Thumbs up if you like Halloween. So I'm gonna show you today what I pack. Everybody, wow. Okay, so I literally just woke up, have my wax pot on, ready to go. It's part of my get ready with me process. But today we are going, first of all, check out this freaking sick shirt I bought. Okay, we're gonna be going to Utah today. I'm so excited. I've been to Utah once before. There's my cat. Come on. And it was cold and rainy season, and so I'm excited to go at the fall season. We're going to the Park City area, which I'm super excited about, and we're taking an RV there. It's gonna be like a week-long trip. We're gonna camp the first night, and on the way to Utah. Weird noises in the country, I tell ya. We're going to camp one night on the way, and I thought that I would invite you guys to come pack with me. I love pack with me's. They're my favorite to film, especially like vloggy style. Hello and hi. I am now going to pack my makeup. It's normally either the first or the last thing that I pack. In this case, it is the first. What I like to do is basically I just get full glam ready the day before or the morning of, and I put all of those products in my bag as I'm using them. Let's see if this will work. And this way everything is already in here. Like, I'm gonna be using this tomorrow morning, but it's all already kind of set out for me, and it just makes it a lot easier. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna continue getting ready, and you guys, it'll be like a quick get ready with me. Well, let's fast forward through this. Alright, as my husband's in here searching for his vesty vest, we're going to finish packing today. As I was saying before, I am a procrastinator, and I got most of my toiletries done yesterday. We have to pack clothes in like 30 minutes so we can hit the road today. So, my whole hope, do you like this hair? I have to throw my hair up when I'm like working. I'm like, throw the hair up, it'll come down later. But I'm not wearing makeup today. Isn't that exciting? My first plan of attack is I kind of throw out everything that I think that I will need onto the bed. That's step one. And then I categorize it, and then I dwindle it down. So that's what we're gonna do. I also need to head to the garage and look in the winter clothes. Actually, I need to look up the weather. So, those are cool boots. Okay. Been looking at boots on Poshmark. So Park City is 49 and it has a high of 62. So that's cold for me because where I am at this time of year, our high is around 92 and our low, at night it gets really cold. But yeah, still gonna need a couple more layers. It's actually my favorite type of weather because you get like just enough layers, but you don't have to be uncomfortable. Okay, we're just, okay. 10 minutes later, we have our outfits. Let me show you. I just packed all my undergarments because I really felt like you guys didn't need to see that. But here we go. Now, I never pack an outfit, so this is new for me. I'm trying to pack more minimalistic. As you're looking at this, you're probably laughing, but for me, yes. So this is my fancy outfit. I always bring one fancier outfit. These are my workout and pajama bundle. This is an outfit, and this is an outfit, and the jeans are here, and then that's one outfit, and then this is kind of just some extra stuff, options that I can wear. I might need to dwindle down a little bit more, but I'm also trying to pick out like jewelry for every outfit, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna bring like this. I have earrings picked out. All right, here's my strategy for packing. I kind of bring everything to the middle of the room and then we pack.